Ever wondered what the difference between hardware and software crypto wallets is? Well, crypto wallets are essentially digital vaults where you can securely manage your digital assets, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. They come in two main types: hardware wallets, which are physical devices like a USB drive, and software wallets, which are applications that you can install on your devices. In this video, we're going to delve into the pros and cons of both hardware and software wallets. Hardware wallets, often referred to as cold wallets, are physical devices that securely store your crypto offline. They are the digital equivalent of a high-security vault, a fortress for your virtual treasure. Let's delve into their advantages. First off, they offer an unparalleled level of security. By storing your assets offline, you eliminate the risk of online hacking attempts. Your private keys, the digital codes that prove ownership of your coins, never leave the device, keeping them out of reach from prying digital eyes. Another advantage is privacy. Your transactions remain anonymous because they're not linked to your personal identity, unlike with some online platforms. Lastly, you have total control over your crypto. Your assets are not held by a third party, like an exchange, which can be vulnerable to shutdowns or regulatory issues. However, just like most things in life, hardware wallets come with their own set of drawbacks. One of the most evident is cost. These devices can be pricey, especially when compared to software wallets that are often free. Another issue is the potential for loss or damage. Losing the device or forgetting your password can lead to irreversible loss of your assets. Lastly, they can be less user-friendly. The setup and transaction process might not be as smooth or intuitive as with software wallets, which could be a deterrent for some users. So, hardware wallets are excellent for security, but can be a bit of a hassle to use and can set you back a few dollars. On the other hand, software wallets are apps that you install on your computer or smartphone. They are like your personal bank branch in the digital world of cryptocurrencies. These wallets offer a high degree of convenience. Imagine being able to access your funds at any time, from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. It's like having a bank in your pocket. Software wallets, in many cases, are free to use. This makes them a cost-effective solution for those who are just dipping their toes into the world of cryptocurrency. But let's not forget the flip side of the coin. With convenience comes responsibility. Software wallets are more susceptible to cyber threats. Unlike hardware wallets that store your keys offline, software wallets are always online, making them a prime target for hackers. It's crucial to be mindful of this aspect and take necessary precautions like using strong, unique passwords and keeping your devices updated with the latest security patches. Another potential drawback is the dependence on third-party providers. Many software wallets are maintained by companies that could potentially go out of business or stop supporting the wallet. This could leave users in a bit of a pickle, scrambling to find a new wallet and transfer their assets. To sum up, software wallets offer convenience and easy access, but they come with their own set of security risks. So, which one is the right choice for you? Hardware or software wallet? This question might have been lingering in your mind since we started our discussion. Well, the answer is not as simple as choosing between black and white. It is more like a spectrum, where the perfect spot for you depends on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're the kind of person who values security and privacy above all, a hardware wallet could be your best bet. These devices are like digital fortresses, designed to keep your cryptocurrencies safe from the prying eyes of the online world. They are immune to viruses, malware, and even hackers. It's like having your own personal bank vault. But remember, with great security comes a bit of inconvenience as you need to have the device with you to make transactions. On the other hand, if you are someone who values convenience and easy access to your cryptocurrencies, then a software wallet might be more up your alley. These wallets are digital apps that can be installed on your smartphone or computer. They offer a quick and easy way to manage, receive, and send cryptocurrencies. However, they are connected to the internet, which means they have a higher risk exposure compared to hardware wallets. In the end, the choice between a hardware or software wallet depends on your personal preferences and your tolerance for risk. Remember, the best wallet for you depends on your individual needs and the level of risk you're comfortable with. So, to quickly recap what we've discussed today, hardware wallets are your go-to for top-notch security and privacy. They're like your personal digital safe, keeping your crypto assets under lock and key. On the other hand, software wallets shine in convenience and easy access. They're the digital wallet you carry in your pocket, always ready for swift transactions. We hope this video has helped you understand the difference between hardware and software wallets and will guide you in choosing the right one for your crypto assets. Stay safe out there.